अगर आप बुलेट चलाते हो और चेन ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हो तो आप अपने पैसे बर्बाद कर रहे हो। आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ चेन मेंटेनेंस का आसान तरीका जो आप अपने घर पे भी कर सकते हैं। So hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to lube your chain and clean. मतलब firstly clean your chain and then lube. So you can see I have one chain cleaner spray in my hand and one chain lube and old toothbrush to clean it because I don't have the chain cleaning brush, so I will be cleaning by itself only. And it is advisable to clean your chain after every 500 kilometers, and as you can see it is very dirty and have some play in this. So let's start. As you all can see that this is Bullet 350 and I am gonna clean its chain. Firstly we will need a chain cleaner spray. I bought it from a local shop, but I will tag it in the link below. You can get it from there. Earlier I used to have a Motul chain cleaner, but that costed me around 500 bucks, and it lasts only 2 to 3 washes. So I thought switch to some other brand because it costed me more. So make sure you spray it evenly and it doesn't go on the brakes, because if it go on brake it will be very harmful in the braking. After applying it evenly, let it set for 2 to. You can use it over here too. As you all can see, it has started its work. Now we will require a brush to wipe off all the extra dirt. We will start brushing it off. After cleaning from the brush, we will require a cloth. We will wipe it off. And remember one thing: if you are cleaning it with cloth, make sure to put your hand over there and move it in the clockwise direction so that your hand does not get stuck in the chain itself. All the dirt will come off on this cloth. Make sure you have microfiber cloth. If you don't have, then you can use clothes of cotton and all, but it is advisable to have microfiber cloths. Although I don't have a one, but I am advising you to have it because microfiber cloth absorb more dust. So yeah, you can use it. And after cleaning it all, we will make it rest around 5 minutes so that the cleaner is wiped off completely. After cleaning it up with chain cleaner, you will require a chain lube, and you apply in the same manner like you applied this chain cleaner. You will have to do this. And after applying it, you have to spin the wheel. Okay, so after applying the chain lube thoroughly, we will now require to start the bullet. Apply some more chain lube. Most of you were wondering that from where did I got it though. So I got it from a local shop here in Lucknow, which costed me around, it has MRP written 286 and 399, but both of them costed me 250 rupees only. And I will mention, or I will tag the products below so you can get it from you on. I was using earlier Motul. Motul is good, but it was way more costlier than this. That costed me around 500, and which lasted only three cleans only, which means around 1500 kilometers only. So I switched to this local brand, local or VSAF brand called, and I guess it will be good because it is doing its work perfectly. I will share a proper feedback of this later on. Thank you, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get more contents related to Royal Enfield maintenance and all. I will be posting very soon. Okay, bye.